Make him go all the way around. Whoa! That was pretty cool, wasn't it?
You put the cheese up.
Okay.
And start this.
Give him a little bit of space. There you go. So if it falls over.
Then we're going to fix it.
Yep.
Now this boat needs to be very careful because of the screen.
Yeah.
Now Emily gets fed up.
Say cheese. To me. No, say cheese.
Cheese.
Alright. You're 4 years old?
Cheese, yes.
4.5. I'm filming now. It's a video instead of a picture, so you can talk and act. You got a tattoo on your hand?
Yep.
From the garage sale yesterday where we bought this table and all this stuff? Only 30 bucks. So if you're watching it, you probably just said, it was only 30 bucks. Keep going. You're doing a great job. That'll make the trains go around.
See, we have to be very careful on this.
Yeah, give him a little bit of space. Whoa, nice.
The other one goes through this. Ooh.
Oh, we forgot. Hold on.